Welcome to my channel. TP-Link Archer AX55 AX3000 Wireless Dual-Band Gigabit Router. Ensure the box contains the Archer AX55 router, power adapter, Ethernet cable, and a quick installation guide. Verify all components are present before proceeding. Plug the power adapter into the router and a power outlet. Turn on the router using the power button. Use the included Ethernet cable to connect the WAN, Internet, port on the Archer AX55 to the LAN port of your modem. Open a web browser on your connected device, laptop, tablet, or phone, and type http://tplinkwifi.net or 192.168.0.1 into the address bar. You'll be prompted to create a login password. If you are facing any login issue, then visit our site and call this number. Follow the setup wizard to configure the internet connection. Choose between dynamic IP, static IP, PPPoE. Customize your Wi-Fi name, SSID, and password. Choose strong, secure credentials to protect your network. You can set up both the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands. Go to the Advanced section, then System Tools and Firmware Upgrade. Check if a new firmware version is available and update if needed to ensure optimal performance and security. Place the router in a central, elevated location to maximize signal strength. Avoid obstacles like walls and electronic devices that may interfere with the signal. Connect your devices, smartphones, laptops, tablets, to the Wi-Fi network. Test the internet connection speed and stability to ensure everything is set up correctly. Thank you for watching.